Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's look. It's a half-face skull, like if my face is ripped off. Keep watching if you want to see how I did it. So I start off by doing the glam part, which is my eyes, but I still try to keep it a little bit spooky, so I go with the dark smoky eye and some creepy white contacts. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna do a loose glitter eyeliner. So I'm going over where I would usually put eyeliner with some eyelash glue, and then packing on some red glitter. To conceal, I'm using a Maybelline Super Stay foundation stick. I know it's meant for foundation, but I just really wanted to try it because I've seen it used as a concealer and it has a cute little sponge, so I just wanted to give that a little try. So after we've set our under eye with setting powder, I'm gonna start creating the illusion that my skin is ripping off my face from the nose down. And to do this, I just layer on eyelash glue and tissue. So I'll put down a layer of eyelash glue and then tissue over that, and then pat that down, and then more eyelash glue over that tissue, and then I'll usually put another layer of tissue on top of that, and more glue. Then I'm gonna set the whole thing with setting powder to get rid of the shine. And you'll see I started peeling it before I put my foundation on, but then I realized this and then I go back to put the foundation over it because this is going to make it look like my skin tone. So once I have my foundation on there, then I'm going to start peeling it up, and then it's going to look like my skin is actually tore off and lifting up and then revealing the skull underneath. So I'm using the foundation stick again because it's really light compared to my skin, and this is going to make it look really white underneath instead of actually using a white face paint. So after sketching out the skull with a regular black eyeshadow, I'm filling everything in, shading it, making it look really realistic. I'm just using regular black eyeshadow for this. It doesn't matter which one you use. So for the teeth, since they're so detailed, I'm using a black liquid eyeliner, and this just helps me make the lines more fine. And then I also go over other parts with this just to make it look darker and more defined. Now for the blood, I'm using just a cheap fake blood that I found in a little Halloween kit at the dollar store. So I'm just brushing this underneath the skin flaps, and then you'll notice on this part I went underneath with a dark eyeshadow to kind of make it look like darker blood, because this blood is really bright for me, but it still does the job. And then I go back over it with the fake blood and make it look like it's dripping down my face. Once I get the look that I'm going for, the look is complete and you're ready to go scare people on Halloween.